I really hope आप लोग show अभी तक enjoy कर रहे हैं because I'm really enjoying it. Happy International Women's Day to every woman who's watching. आप लोग इसी तरीके से successful रहें, इसी तरह uplifted energy में रहें, and may this Ramadan be a blissful and a blessed Ramadan for all of you. And on that note, Iman, what is the one thing you're going to change जो younger generation enter हो रही है sports industry के अंदर? What do you notice about these girls, and what do you think would you suggest for them to do differently?
I would like to say, like, firstly, it's great. From 5 years ago, there is such an influx of women in my sport, in my industry. From when I entered, there weren't a lot of women, and thereby not a lot of, like, the feelings of inclusion weren't really there. Even now that I've kind of climbed up the ladder, I still don't really feel that inclusion. I've made my own space. And I would just like for women athletes to be able to feel that, you know? Because I train mostly with boys, the odd girl here and there. And I feel very separate. Like, it's very, you know,
isolating
evident.
Experience.
And I would like for women to not feel that way. So that's one thing I would change.
Yeah, of course. Maybe you intimidate women.
Maybe I intimidate
women? Are men relatively better when they're training with you? Are they just as competitive? I mean, just out of curiosity.
They are competitive, but I feel like there's that gender competitiveness that I can't let myself be beaten by a girl. You know? Which makes me feel more competitive, but I also feel like it dampens the experience just a little bit.
Just a little bit, It just makes it a little personal. Just kind of you step out of the game.
Now I found my circle. I found my circle of boys and girls, a couple of girls who I can train with comfortably, knowing that, you know, they won't injure me, they won't go too hard. Like, we learn from each other. But, you know,
imagine actually
for a new athlete,
someone a solid punch just because you don't like their face.
Well,
imagine.
Happens more than you think.
I'm sure. That's so scary, though. That's so scary. All right, guys. So considering that I want to, you know, have a very inclusive segment, social media wants to know. So I'm going to ask these quick questions. You guys have to answer it as quickly as possible. All right. One thing that no one knows about you. Any one of you can go first. Okay, think about it.
Oh my God.
Okay. Should have asked these questions before. I like cats.
Oh, how cute. People know that, don't they?
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know.
No? I don't know. I think we'll drop it. Acha, what's your favorite fashion trend of all time? Favorite of all time?
Shalwar kameez.
Ah, nice. Khulla poncha. Same.
I don't know, like really big pants.
Really big pants. Okay,
like really
which is basically a modern shalwar kameez with a khulla poncha. Yeah, women love comfort. They want to look pretty as well. They want comfort.
Yeah.
Pockets.
Done. Pockets. Oh my God, what do you call those? Wo jo mardana kurte mein
No, we don't do that. We do shalwar.
Shalwar with pockets.
Can't ruin the waist, no?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. But a mardana kurtas lose anyway.
I worked hard.
Okay, good girls. What's your dream vacation spot?
Japan.
Ooh, I want to go.
Maldives, because it's not going to be there.
Oh my God.
Wait,
wow, that got really dark.
Yeah.
Climate change?
Yes, I really want to go.
Okay, you go soon. What's your favorite restaurant?
In Karachi,
like, what kind of food do you like? Let's not name a restaurant. Let's just name the food.
I want sushi right now, so I'm going to go sushi.
Sushi?
I was just going to say sushi.
Okay, done. What's the first thing you notice in a person?
Their eyes.
Smile.
Smile. Here.
Eyes are windows to the soul.
Yes, absolutely. Eyes and smile. Okay. What's your skincare routine?
Sunscreen.
Nice. Good.
Yes.
Sweat.
I love it.
Highlighter.
I love it. It's the best highlighter.
Natural highlighter.
It's the best highlighter. What's the harshest comment you've ever received on social media?
Oh my God, you're going to make us cry.
I don't think I can say it.
Yeah, same.
No, I really think people should have it real.
No, we're going to get censored.
Oh, okay.
It's not.
I'll give a less harsh one that I don't deserve what I'm doing.
Oh my God.
You know? Which is like, oh, okay, and you do?
Yeah.
Why?
And I deserve to sit here and read this from you?
Like, give that person an award for their comment.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah, for really breaking it down.
That's like the worst thing ever.
Everything you've gotten hasn't been because of you, it's been because of everything around you.
Yeah, you're just lucky.
You're just lucky.
Yeah.
Wow. That's like a nice way of just appreciating. But that does happen. That's the price you pay when you have, you know, accomplished parents, I guess. Wow. Is there a celebrity that you've been really starstruck by? Mostly people say Shah Rukh Khan types. if you've seen him, A.R. Rahman types?
I mean, a lot of celebrities.
You can name some Pakistani ones too. I bet you've seen some in London.
I
I bet.
like I'm more like I get more enamored by like people who don't care at all about what's happening.
What's happening around
like,
them?
okay, sorry, this is rap fire.
Yeah.
You answer.
I don't think there's any one particular celebrity. Like Anita Kareem is a famous like Pakistani MMA athlete, and I was pretty starstruck when I saw her. And then I trained with her, and she beat me up, and I was like, oh,
and now you're even more starstruck.
I get it now. I like it.
I love it.
It's all
I
good.
love that. I love that. See, and you didn't let her get to you. You actually
I
strive to
enjoy
be
it.
better. I love that.
You
I love
learn.
that. Chu, what's your favorite comfort food? If you like shalwar kameez, I'm only surprised if it's biryani or korma.
Not actually. I really like mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese, okay.
Oh, I have no idea. I think Halim and naan.
Ooh,
The naan.
Oh my God! Wait,
specifically.
nice.
I want to say
Karak.
yeah, and beef pulao. Actually.
Pulao.
So good.
pulao.
Sorry.
Beef pulao. Okay, beef pulao. Got it. Roze hain, but still, huh?
I know.
खाने की बातें. अच्छा, okay. A catchphrase you use very often.
हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. Nice. That's a nice one. हो जाएगा.
I don't think I have a catchphrase. But my coach's catchphrase is "Nobody cares, work harder," and I feel like it's in my head.
That's
a lot.
not really a catchphrase. That's more like.
No, he says it enough for it to be a catchphrase.
Oh my God.
No way. Nobody cares. Nobody. Imagine someone telling you nobody
Work
cares.
Nobody
harder.
cares, work harder. That's the
Yeah.
catchphrase.
Catchphrase. Nobody cares. Work harder. Wow. Okay. The best gift you've ever received from someone. It could be a gift of time and love and attention too.
Oh my God. I like
Which is probably
Ask
the most
each other
precious.
our love
वो नहीं मिला।
languages.
वो नहीं मिला होगा, हर चीज मिल गई होगी।
Shout out my parents for all the gifts they've given me.
Aww. Same?
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave you guys a nasty comment online now.
Yeah, do
you
it.
guys
Fine,
don't
fine.
deserve it.
Blocked.
All right, guys, I'm just kidding. It has been an absolute pleasure to interview both of you, and I think all of you, all of us actually gelled in quite well. And it's great that you guys got to share your experiences from the fashion industry, from the sports industry, and inshallah we'll have you again. So thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
You want to give?
Yeah.
Anything at all for Women's Day? Anything you can tell women to just empower themselves? Just a sentence, just anything.
Believe in yourself more than anybody else, and don't listen to what other people say. I think that's a big thing.
Absolutely, I second that.
And
I think, sorry to
go
cut
ahead.
you off, but I think women believe that the strength doesn't come from like within themselves. They believe that they have to, like it's
validate
either,
elsewhere.
yeah, that they have to get validation from elsewhere, that they have to ask for permission, that they have to do all of this stuff outside to please other people, but you don't have to. I think you'll find strength once you start
Focusing on yourself.
yeah, focusing on yourself and what you really
Absolutely.
want.